Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace a corner protector on your trunk. Alright, so we're going to remove each of these 3 screws that are holding the corner protector on. And then we'll put our new corner protector in the exact same position. You want to discard those 3 original screws and use the 3 replacement screws that we provided. Tighten each screw about halfway. That's going to help you to line up with the existing holes in the trunk. Once we have all 3 replacement screws in, we can go ahead and just tighten those up. Just like that. And your corner protector is replaced.